Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for joining me today. For those of you who are new here, on this channel we share helpful tutorials and how-to guides. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your computer. So if you want to know how to do it, just keep on watching. So first of all, what you need to do is to launch Steam Launcher on your device and go to the store section. So just go ahead and click on this button. And now click on the search bar right here and type Euro Truck Simulator 2. Okay, so here is it. So just go ahead and select the game that you want to have. And let's just go ahead and click on it. And if you don't know, you need to pay for a price in order to get this game. Okay, so now to get it, just go ahead and click on this one because this first button, it is the demo, okay? So this is the price that you need to pay for. So it is 172.48 pesos, okay? So it has a special promotion now. Just go ahead and click on add to cart. And now select purchase for myself right here. And once you've done that, you need to put all of the needed information. You can also select any payment methods through PayPal, Visa, MasterCard, GCash, or eClub points. Okay, so once you've done the payment info, then next thing that you need to do is to review and the purchase. Okay, so you need to make sure that all of the details needed is correct. Okay, and once you've done paying for the price, just go ahead and wait because it will automatically download on your Steam account. Okay, and once it is download, just go ahead and go to your library section right here. So let's just wait for it. There. So you should see the game right here once it is done downloading. Okay, so once you follow all of these steps, you should be able to download Euro Truck Simulator 2 on your computer. Okay, so that's it. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.